Almost everyone is interested in learning how to use the law of attraction to increase their own personal wealth. However, you may have learned that money-attracting strategies are more complicated than you anticipated. Alternatively, you may believe you've done everything properly, but still haven't found out how to employ the law of attraction to make money. Well, in today's video, we'll take a look at some of the most effective money affirmations. After going through these techniques discussed, you'll be able to create anything in the blink of an eye before you ever realize it. If this all sounds good to you, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, welcome, and make sure you hit that big red subscribe button. Now, let's get into it. Step 1. Concentrate on abundance to attract money. This practice, which is frequently at the top of the list of law of attraction money advice, is based on the essential law of attraction idea that you attract more of what you focus on. As a result, if you spend more time focused on your abundance, more may come your way. This can be accomplished in a variety of ways. Consider the following scenario. Keep a gratitude diary and make it a practice to write down 1 to 5 things you're grateful for every day. Close your eyes for 3 to 5 minutes, focusing on your innermost thoughts of thankfulness for all that you have in life. Bless your bank account, your wallet, and your ability to pay your bills. What you value grows in value with you. You're more likely to attract more money if you express gratitude for what you already have. The money you desire will then be drawn to you. Likewise, you can't make money come to you, but you can make yourself feel worthwhile. Step 2. Rewrite the script. Your inner critic will often tell you that you can't attract abundance. It may even tell you that you are unworthy of money. When a negative thought like this pops into your head, quickly flip it around and focus on the opposite. When you fear, for example, that you don't think you'll ever be successful enough to make money, remind yourself that everyone can be successful enough to create tremendous sums of money. Use a thought-stopping strategy, such as literally telling yourself to stop out loud or visualizing a red stop sign if necessary. Step 3. Spend in line with your values. Another great approach to attract money is to make sure you spend what you have on things that are truly important to you. When you live your life in accordance with your values, you will derive a great deal of financial joy from your spending and establish a much more positive relationship with money. And if you think of money in a positive, loving light, you'll attract more of it right now. If you're unsure about what you value, try the following. Make a list of the 5 most significant events in your life, followed by another list of 5 adjectives that best characterize each. Then consider the following questions. What common themes emerge? The answers are your most important values. Step 4. Face the facts. It's not simply about linking money to happiness when it comes to manifesting prosperity. It's also about recognizing and acting on the realities of your financial circumstance. So, be truthful to yourself. Examine your entire financial situation, including your debts. If you need assistance, don't be hesitant to ask for it. Friends, relatives, and financial consultants can all assist you in developing a strategy to improve your circumstances. Most people write down their intentions every day until they're realized, while others review them every morning. If that suits your needs, go for it. Different strokes for different folks. It's up to you to pay attention to your life and discover how this aspect of the law of attraction manifests for you. It's fine if you don't have a lot of money today. Remind yourself that getting where you want to go requires engaging with the reality of where you are right now. Step 5. Smell money. While it may seem unusual at first, connecting with the smell of money will help you use the law of attraction to attract money and wealth. You must be in sync with that sensation you intend to manifest in order to activate the law of attraction. You match your vibration with money and abundance when you do this. The large percentage of folks believe that they must manifest money before they may experience the feelings they desire. That is simply not how manifestation works. First and foremost, you must express the emotions. Imagine yourself as having all of the wealth you require as you accomplish this. Don't worry about why you want money or how much money you wish you had. Allow your brain to imagine you are completely wealthy right now. Think about it this way. When you go out on a date, they normally don't appear when you're focused on finding the one. However, if you focus on self-love, having fun, and enjoying life, the one will arrive in your life. This is a simple and quick workout. When done frequently though, it can help you reset old negative money beliefs that are holding you back. Step 6. Banish fear of success. Many people unintentionally self-destruct, so you can be terrified of what will happen if you draw money on some level. Make a list of all the reasons you might be terrified of having a lot of money. For instance, you could be thinking that people only need you because of your wealth, or that you may not be happy even when you're wealthy. You're robbing yourself of the joy of the journey. Consider the source of each of your fears. Is this a message you received from someone in your past? Is it a result of your social environment? Take note of the source. Finally, respond to each concern. Remember, the universe functions like a massive Xerox machine. Your words, thoughts, and actions are photocopied by the cosmos and sent back to you as your next experience. The energy and idea forms that you send out into the world return to you. So if you focus on anything in your life that isn't working, you're raising the chances of it getting worse. With all of this in mind, utilizing the law of attraction will be one of the most efficient ways to transform your money thoughts into a belief system that allows you to experience the abundance that exists all around you. However, you must first take some action in order to see it work in your life. 1. Identify your money-limiting beliefs. You must discover and change your limiting beliefs about money in order to activate the law of attraction in your life. We've had limited views about money since we were children, which we've internalized over time and accepted as true. These restricting beliefs aren't new to you. Money doesn't grow on trees, thus it's exceedingly difficult to come by, or the assumption that money can't buy happiness, or the restrictive view that you can't be wealthy while also being a good person. Before you can start using the law of attraction, you must first recognize and resolve any limiting ideas you may have about money. It's far easier to create the habits and mindset required to acquire wealth once you recognize money for what it truly is, an accessible, limitless supply of a resource you can use in any way you want. Positive affirmations are an excellent technique to resolve any limiting ideas regarding money. If you see that you regard money as scarce and difficult to obtain, for example, you may employ a positive affirmation like, "I'm a money magnet. Everything I come into contact with turns to gold. I am releasing any and all negative ideas and emotions concerning money, and I am glad and free to imagine my dreams," is another positive affirmation you can employ. Alternatively, you could try, "I am making all the money I want and need to do whatever I want in life. I am making positive decisions about what to do with my money and appreciating the spirit of wealth that it expresses." Try affirming. What you tell yourself becomes your belief, and your true belief becomes your reality. You can build a money mindset that allows you to use the law of attraction by utilizing positive affirmations to challenge restrictive thoughts about money. 2. Visualize your wealth as though it has already been attained. According to the law of attraction, you will attract into your life whatever you believe within and project externally. It's crucial to envision something like money as if you already have it if you want to attract it. Visualizing a world in which you have all the money you want not only helps you develop a mindset that's more responsive to financial gain, but it also allows you to imagine what your life will be like once you achieve your objectives. This can act as a great source of motivation in and of itself, propelling you onward even when circumstances get tough. Envisioning money as if you have it already can help you develop an abundance attitude rather than a scarcity mindset. One of the main reasons why the wealthy have no trouble getting richer is that they view the money they don't have as both plentiful and attainable, while viewing the money they do have as a tool for making more money, rather than something to be protected or kept. When you have a lot of money, this type of abundance mindset comes easily, but it may also be created by envisioning money as something you already have in plenty. Carry a $100 bill around in your pocket if you want to create a physical anchor point for your visualizations. Simply doing this can make you feel wealthier and prevent you from ever saying you're broke, and hence the restricting thoughts that come with it. 3. The universe will provide you with more. Finally, keep in mind that the universe will reward you with more of what you appreciate. Never undervalue the importance of appreciation. Finally, the things for which you are grateful will be the ones that you pursue with the most zeal. Being truly appreciative for something tends to dispel whatever limiting thoughts you may have and makes you more open to new possibilities. Don't forget to be grateful as you work on developing a positive money mindset that will allow you to take advantage of the law of attraction. Thank your lucky stars for the money you have. Be grateful for every opportunity to earn more money, and be especially grateful when those possibilities pay off. If you want to make more money, you must have a grateful attitude, regardless of how much or how little money you now earn. Remember, you don't have to make things happen. All you have to do is be able to let them happen. Make it your mission to be happy. When you feel happy, your vibration rises, attracting people and situations with higher vibrations. Money, love, and happiness all flow within this equation. Experts claim that everything can be manifested in 7 days. You could be tempted to abandon your law of attraction efforts if the process hasn't been as simple for you. Manifesting wealth, on the other hand, is completely achievable. All you have to do now is acquire the necessary skills. Furthermore, even if attracting more money isn't your primary manifestation aim, you'll undoubtedly benefit from it. Whether you want to impress your dream mate, start a new business, explore the world, or boost your self-esteem, a little additional income won't hurt. Financial success is the springboard to a plethora of other sorts of achievements and many of the best law of attraction money stories. So why not devote the next week or so to perfecting these 6 bulletproof tactics? Well, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day, and I'll see you all in the next one.